Alam mo ba na for as low as 20,000 per month, pwede ka na magkaroon ng sariling property dito sa Nuvali? At hindi lang yan. Meron ka pang views ng Mount Makiling, Laguna de Bay, Makati Skyline, at Tagaytay Ridge. Kung naghahanap ka ng future home o investment, baka ito na yung hinahanap mo. Hello guys, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, lalo na sa clients and viewers natin na nanonood from abroad. Magandang araw po sa inyo. Pero bago ang lahat, let's talk quickly about the location.
Nuvali is master plan eco-estate ng Ayala Land. Kaya ibang-iba yung community planning, lifestyle, and future growth potential. Kapag nandito ka na, mapapansin mo na walang spaghetti wars, maraming puno, maluwag ang roads, presko ang hangin, at tahimik ang paligid. Kaya siya gustong-gusto ng families, professionals, investors, at OFWs na naghahanap ng long-term value. So now that you know why Nuvali stands out, tara na at pasukin na natin ng mga model houses na meron kami dito kay Crescela.
By the way, I am Chris Alberto Acosta, property specialist from Ayala Land. I work closely with my clients para mas maging malinaw at madali ang property decision nila. Hindi lang basta nakabase sa budget, kundi pati sa lifestyle, goals, and future plans nila. Local ka man o nasa abroad, I'm here to help you filter the best options, review every detail, at makapag-decide ka ng kampante, walang pressure, puro clarity at assurance lang. Sa video na ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang newest pre-selling property natin dito sa Nuvali. At bakit ito nagiging top choice ng mga home buyers at investors ngayon. Dito sa Crescela, we offer house and lot only. So simulan natin sa house models. Dito sa likod ko, ito yung i-rin model unit natin. Ito yung may 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. So simulan natin sa carport. So kung mapapansin nyo po, sa sobrang lawak nito, kayang-kaya mo igara yung 2 kotse mo rito. And what's nice about this, is meron tayong nakabang dito na wirings, na pwede mong gawing socket kung saan pwede mo i-charge yung electric vehicle mo later on. Sa gilid naman, of course, meron tayo ditong dedicated na open space na pwede mong gawing mini garden. Tara, pasukin naman po natin yung loob. Pagpasok nyo pa lang boys, makikita nyo na yung living area natin. At yung dining area, and yung storage room po natin. Then ito naman po yung kitchen area. Tara, silipin naman po natin yung 3 bedroom sa taas. Ito po yung first bedroom natin. Ito po yung workspace natin or study area. Saka ito po yung second bedroom. Saka yung toilet and bath sa second floor. Ito yung master bedroom natin. Meron na siyang balcony. So kung mapapansin niyo po, maraming windows. More natural light. So ito ang i-rin model. So let's move on naman sa mas malaking options, lalo na kung gusto mo ng extra rooms. Welcome to Solea model. Ito yung may 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and of course, 1 carport. So tara, pasokin po natin. So yan, pagpasok niyo po, ito yung foyer area natin. And yung living area. Ito naman po yung dining area natin. And of course, yung storage room natin. On the side naman po yung kitchen area. And ito yung other room. So tara, silipin naman po natin. So ito yung first bedroom. Then ito yung tinatawag natin na flex area. So pwede ka rin maglagay dyan ng sofa and magbasa-basa ng libro later on. Then ito yung ating common toilet and bath sa second floor. Saka ito yung second bedroom natin. Dito sa Solea, yung master bedroom natin is meron na tayong toilet and bath dito. Ayan. So bali, all in all, 3 toilet and bath siya. So ito na yung ating balcony. At iyan po ang Solea model. Kung hindi ka naman nagmamadali or may plan ka magpatayo ng sariling design ng bahay later on, meron naman po tayong lot only options, starting at 160 square meters. Sa amenities naman, we have clubhouse, swimming pool, gym, multipurpose hall, at basketball court. Kaya hindi lang basta property ang binibili mo dito, kasama na ang community at quality lifestyle. Isa itong smart investment na habang tumatagal, mas lalo kong panalo sa value at quality of life. Perfect ito for those na naghahanap ng pre-selling investment, longer payment terms up to 42 months, at meron din tayong options dito na no spot down payment. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng property na pang-retirement, pang-investment o future family home, Crisela Valley is worth considering. Maliit lang ang inventory, kaya mabilis talaga ito ma-sold out. For requirements naman, ang kailangan lang po natin is one valid ID, proof of billing, signed reservation agreement forms, and of course, the reservation fee. If you want to know the prices, availability, or computation, send me a message to my Facebook page, The Ayala Realty Expert, or you may reach me via Viber or WhatsApp at 0961-535-0297. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Nuvali updates. Once again, this is Alberto Acosta, the Ayala Realty Expert, your home, your future, my guide.